Don't know how to sell? It doesn't have to be that hard. With conversion funnels, you'll create a working sales strategy in minutes. First, create an awesome-looking landing page. Then, convert your visitors to subscribers and leads. Nurture them and turn them into your raving fans. And finally, get them to buy from you. Just fill in the blanks. Conversion funnels will do the heavy lifting for you. Visit Getresponse.com and try conversion funnels for free. Meet John. John's an online marketer. Right now, he's doing business. Right now, he's making money. Hard to believe? Just look. John can sit back and relax while he's selling his products. His online campaigns are automated by conversion funnels, his marketing machine from Getresponse. Sign up now for a 30-day free trial. Meet Kate. Kate's a photographer. Right now she's doing business. Right now she's making money. Hard to believe? Just look. Kate can sit back and relax while she's getting clients. Her online campaigns are automated by conversion funnels, her marketing machine from Getresponse. Sign up now for a 30-day free trial. Meet Mark. Mark's a personal fitness trainer. Right now, he's doing business. Right now, he's making money. Hard to believe? Just look. Mark can sit back and relax while he's getting clients. His online campaigns are automated by conversion funnels, his marketing machine from Getresponse. Sign up now for a 30-day free trial.
List building program. Subject: Progress report on my list building plan. Hi my friend. As you've probably noticed, I'm on a mission to expand my business. So I've been trying every list building technique in the book. More subscribers, more potential sales. Know what works best so far? It's giving visitors lots of creative ways to sign up for my list. So I've been exploring the collection of form types included in my Getresponse email marketing account. For example, on my blog, I can create a scroll form that follows the reader as they scroll down the page, a friendly reminder to sign up for updates. Or place a fixed bar form at the top of the reader's browser, so it's always in view. And Getresponse includes interesting ways to grab attention: a shake form that, well, it shakes, very gently, to catch the reader's eye. There's an exit pop-up form you can set to appear when the reader is leaving, to reduce bounces. And an image pop-up form that allows you to add a colorful photo or image. One of my strategies is to offer a sign-up incentive. I use a download form that releases the e-document and adds the new subscriber to my marketing list. You can customize these forms. In fact, there's a color magic tool that matches the form colors to the colors on your website or blog automatically. And any form can be coded to add the new subscriber to the campaign of your choice. Difficult? Nope. After I finish choosing the settings, I copy a snippet of code and paste it into the website HTML, and there it is, looking great. What else? Oh yes, you can add custom fields to the form. The extra data is useful for segmenting my list, personalizing messages, and providing dynamic content. As you know, I started using social media to build my list. If you're not, it's time to wake up and smell the coffee. Getresponse has free tools that integrate sign-up forms with everyday business tools like Facebook, WordPress, PrestaShop, Joomla, WooCommerce, and many more. To sum up, I couldn't be happier with the growth of my email list. Once you get forms in place, they keep working night and day, week after week. And if a particular form seems to be underproducing, I can run an A/B test and then tweak it to find out what works best. Click this link to try Getresponse free for 30 days.